everyone, my name is Allison Sternett, and today I'm going to be talking about Popplet. It is available for iPads, or you can use a website URL with Chromebooks or computers. In the App Store, Popplet Lite, spelled L-I-T-E, is the free version, or just Popplet is the paid version. It's $2. And then on the computer, you would just type in the URL www spell that correctly, Popplet with 2p's.com. So this is what it looks like when you first log into it. I would say you would need Wi-Fi. It is a website. It's a resource. Sorry, it is a website, so you need Wi-Fi on iPad and Chromebook. My students use Chromebooks, so they would log into it this way. You can also bookmark it if you would like to. Click on sign up. I've already signed up. It's super simple. First name, last name, password. So I'm going to log in. And when you first log in on the top right, this section called Get More Poplets shows the different pricing options. So I have the free option, which only allows you to get one Popplet. So it'd be nice if you want to try it out and see if you like it or not. You can do it for free before you pay for it. And the solo option is probably what I would look into during the school year. It's $2 a month. There's an offer right now, or $20 a year. And that kind of gives you some more unlimited options, unlimited mind maps, way more than one. And then groups and schools, if you want to talk to your principal, maybe getting like a bundle if a lot of teachers are using it. And then under here, the blog is super helpful, I thought. You can look at different specific subjects and different teacher feedback on what they found helpful or not with the Popplets their students or they created. And there's different categories: geography, math, however you want to look at it, literacy. And then in the main section, one more thing, support has frequently asked questions. So if you're confused on something, what devices can the Popplet work on, you can look there and it tells you exactly what it can work on. And if you don't find an answer to a question, you can email them. And this is kind of the main section. So shared with me is if anyone shows you their Popplets, you can share with emails. Public Popplets are just random ones that have been made public. You can make yours private or public. There are different languages, so that's why some of them are not all in English. Most popular, you can categorize them and kind of look through them. They're really fun to look at because each map is a little bit different. You can organize them however you would like to. And then featured Popplets are just more of the popular ones and ones people maybe liked or found most beneficial. So if I click on cats over here, you click on it, there's a little zoom in and zoom out toggle option at the top. If you have an iPad, you can pinch in or pinch out with your fingers, or a Chromebook, zoom in and zoom out. You can also click and drag. So if you want to look at cat families over here, you can zoom in a little bit. Oh, not quite there. You can click and drag with your cursor. So kind of a fun way to do that. And if I go back home, you'd see your Popplet. So I've already made one and I can't make any more because I'm on the free version, but I will show you what I've started and I can delete it later and show a new one. So you click create new Popplet and then you create it. Mine is called Seasons. So one thing up here at the top, super important, the zoom in, zoom out. This right here changes the background color. So I'm going to keep it blue, but you can change it pretty easily. And then settings is where all the fun stuff happens. So each different box is called a Popple. So if I want to make a new Popple, click on Make a New Popple, and there it is. I'm going to delete this Popple. There's a lot of random Popples along here. So if I want to copy a Popple, I would click on the box and just click Copy, and then I go back and I click Paste, and then it pasted it right there. So super easy way to copy and paste pretty quickly. These little name badges, so I'll zoom in a little bit. My name is Allison, so everything says my name on it, but that can kind of look a little messy. So if you want to make it look a little cleaner, click on Hide Name Badges or Show. So however you want to do that, you can hide or show. And then I'm going to zoom out a second. This is my main one, so I called it Seasons. These little things on the side, the arrows, you can click or drag to make it bigger or smaller. So if I'm having the main category, I'd probably make it the biggest one, and it's kind of in the middle of my map, which would make sense. And then off to the side, these little circles on each different Popple, you can make a different branch. So if I want one to come off of summer, I click on this, and there's a different branch. Then I can click and drag that, and I can make the zooming is. I can make the direction of it go anywhere I would like. So I can make it go up, down, however you want it to be. So seasons would be in the middle, and then I have winter, spring, summer. I think this would also be good for a character map. You could put the character's name in the middle. And then if I want to talk about family, I could drag family over here. If I have their pictures of them, I could do the different pictures of the different characters. Also, with each different box, there's 4 options. You can change the frame color, so yellow, green, whatever you want. You can change the font size, bigger, smaller, and you can change where the font lays in the box. And then you can also draw. I think it'd be more helpful on an iPad. You can draw a picture, or you can upload a picture, You can upload a picture like I did up here. So I added this picture of a dog, just so cold temperatures. You just click and add the upload button right there. You can add from your desktop or however you would like to. This would also be fun for an all about me. You could put your name in the middle and then share all about you at the beginning of the school year, what you like, your different hobbies, your family. And then the share button over here on the right, you can enter different student emails or different people's emails, and then you could share it with them. You would invite them to share your link, and then they could view it and maybe also edit it as well. And you can also make yours public or private up here in the corner. If I were to look at the Bloom's taxonomy, I would say this mainly falls under the understand or remember section, because you're recalling facts, especially if it's a character map, and you're explaining the ideas and concepts in each different Popplet box. And then I would say it falls under substitution, as you're using this instead of using pen and paper. So that is Popplet.